In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a social media post in Mailchimp. First, head to your Mailchimp account and open the dashboard. From here, go to the campaign section. This is the central place where all your marketing efforts live, including emails, ads, and of course, social posts. If you don't see what you expect, make sure you're in the right workspace and that you have the proper permissions for social posting. Next, click the Create button and choose Social Post. This tells Mailchimp you're building content specifically for your social channels rather than an email or another campaign type. You'll land on a setup screen that keeps the process streamlined and helps you focus on the essentials. Choose the social platform you want to post to: Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, also known as X. Pick the one that matches your goal and audience. For example, Instagram is great for visuals and short captions. Facebook supports a mix of media and longer text, and Twitter + X is ideal for quick updates and links. If you manage multiple platforms, you can repeat this process for each one to tailor your message. Enter a clear campaign name and click Begin. Use a naming convention that makes sense to you and your team, such as including the date, platform, and theme. Good names make tracking results and finding campaigns later much easier. Now add your post content. Type your text, then include images, GIFs, or links as needed. Keep your copy concise and engaging, leading with the most important point. Use high-quality visuals that are properly cropped and easy to read on mobile. If you add a link, make sure it goes to a relevant page and consider using UTM parameters if you plan to track performance in analytics tools. Remember that each platform has its own character limits and image preferences, so write and format with that in mind. Finally, select the audience or the specific page or profile where the post will appear. Choose the correct Facebook page, Instagram account, or Twitter/X profile connected to your brand. Double-check that you're posting to the right place, especially if you manage multiple brands or regions. This selection ensures your content reaches the intended followers and keeps your channels organized. That's it. You've navigated to campaigns, created a social post, chosen your platform, named the campaign, built your content, and selected the destination. With these pieces in place, you're set up for a smooth, consistent social post inside Mailchimp.